We're here with David Williams of Strategic Gold Corp. David, thanks for being back with us.
Good morning.
Well, let's get right to it. We've seen that a lot of people are saying that hedge funds are selling, and that is what has caused this downward spiral in gold prices, at least for this week. What do you make of it?
I think there's a lot of truth to that. I think that the bigger funds have been playing for a couple of weeks now. They're in the water. They've been selling it down. There's been a lot of talk. There's been a lot of different activity. I think the long-term investor, the physical gold investor, is in the market, is staying in the market. We don't see any selling. In fact, we see the opposite. We see guys in buying opportunity, but the derivatives market in gold is 100 times bigger than the physical, so it's driving the market right now.
So if the hedge funds are getting out, maybe they're the ones that are making a bet that the Fed might end its quantitative easing in its current form before the end of 2013. Is that a sense of what you're getting as well?
They can very easily be doing that. They can be shooting off of what George Soros said. They can be shooting off of other funds that they know that have to get out of positions to raise capital. It can be a myriad of things, but I think it all ends certainly by next week when the futures all expire.
Sure. Sure, and so that gets us to the bottom. It felt like we hit a bottom on Thursday because we had a tick up by about 80 cents. Do you think we hit a bottom? If so, what is the bottom?
I think we've hit a bottom. We may go down a little bit more, $5 or $10. We may rally $5 or $10. I think we're going to stay below the 1600 level into at least past Monday, and then we'll see what happens. But really, it's time when the real investors, the physical market, is going to start taking over, and they're going to say, okay, this is a great price for us. Let's buy them in here.
Well, David, thanks for being with us, and we'll definitely see you soon.
Thank you for having me.